Rack is compatible with seat post diameters from 25 to 32 mm. Frame-mounted rear bike seat is easily assembled, making getting ready for your adventure hassle-free. 40-pound maximum weight and is recommended for children 1+. A Phillips screwdriver and adjustable wrench is need for installation. Quick-release 3-point harness, leg restraints, and padded crossbar offer added safety, while the adjustable footwells and removable headrest provide custom fit as your little rider grows. Vented to prevent wind drag, custom comfort padding that supports their back and the air cushion pad that lines the seat. Enjoy safe, family bonding bicycle rides with this deluxe child seat made with lightweight, polypropylene construction. Top reviews from the United States. Saved my child's life. This product saved my child's life. A few days ago we were riding the bike, me and my 2-year-old boy, almost 3 years old. He was sitting on this seat behind me when some crazy guy also in a bike, he said he did not see us in front of him, broke into us. Immediately we all fell. I got 2 shoulder injuries, fractures, went to the hospital and had to undergo a surgery on my right shoulder. My baby came out with really minor bruises. Nothing. He was all the time attached to the seat, even when the bike fell, and he was just fine. He cried because he was scared, but he stopped crying soon because he did not have any injuries. Thanks to this product he is safe. Very good product. Thank you.